pattern, it means that, I mean, everything we know about a quadratic number pattern still applies. We don't have to think of anything different. So for something like this 3-mark question, right, if they're going to ask us to calculate x, we just need to make use of what we already know about a quadratic number pattern. So you see, with all that you have put here, this is all fine, right? We have our 4 in front here, 9, and then we have the 37. So automatically what we should keep in mind is, even though we may not have numbers for every term, we are supposed to just use, you know, the laws we know. Like for example, 9 minus 4 is a 5. X minus 9 is just x minus 9. And then here, 37 minus x is just 37 minus x. You see? So even though you see the value of x is just a place, so we're going to use it the same way we always use a number when we think of something in a quadratic format. So from here now, what we can make use of is the fact that the second common difference is the same. You see, so here what we know is whatever we have
at the bottom of the same page. By the way, before you if I'm making you do too much work. Yeah, just know what went wrong. Yeah.
Yeah, thanks for mentioning that. Otherwise, I was going to seem like a bad guy. Yeah, so this is perfect, right? So we know these are this minus this, right? The issue is brackets. You see, as long as you use your brackets, your life is going to be good. So what we know is this minus this, right? Which is this expression, it is equal to this minus that. There we go.
You're telling me that's literally the only thing that's missing in my life in this question, the brackets.
Yes, the brackets, madam, the brackets. Literally everything looks fine except for the brackets. So with the brackets here, means that we're gonna have here 37 minus x, and then minus x again, plus 9.
9.
X minus 9 minus 5. And then this is like 37 minus 2x plus 9. Then what? Minus 9 minus 5 is what? Minus 14. And then if you move the x to the other side, you're gonna have 3x. Perfect. But if you move the numbers to the other side though, you have 37 plus 9, right? Plus 14. So let's just check what that is in the calculator. 37 plus 9.
60.
Yes, 60 divided by 3. So here it's going to be 60, 3x.
Oh, whatever. I was close enough.
Yeah, definitely. You can have your revenge next time. This is 20. Okay, so that's for x, right? It's also the reason why it's a 3-mark question, because they know we don't have to do a lot of heavy lifting. So for 4 marks though, well, it's starting with the hands, so best believe you're gonna need to make use of what you'd have just worked out. So saying hands or otherwise determine the general term. So getting the general term, as long as we now have the value of x, remember we said x is a 20, right? So there's a 20 here. So we can just do what we know to do. This minus this is going to be 17, 11, and 5. Then the second common difference, 6. And then as you also already know, everything here, we're going to need to make it equal to 2a, 3a plus b,
plus b, a plus b plus c.
Yes, you see, we are in your element now. In the zone.
Bruh.
Yeah, so here
like I was killing it. All of this because of our brackets. Ugh. So threw me off.
It is what it is. It is what it is. Plus b equal to 5. 9 plus this. And what? This is going to be negative 4. And the last one, a is a 3, right? So it's going to be here 3 plus negative 4 plus c equal to 4. Okay, so what is that now? 3 minus 4 plus c, right, equal to 4. Then this is going to be like a negative 1. So c is a 5. Because 3 minus 4 is a -1. The -1 goes to the other side, it becomes a +1. So here, therefore, Tn is equal to 3n squared plus no minus 4n plus 5. There we go. That's the way we like it. Do you see it? Fantastic. So that deals with these ones, right? The 3.2 says here we should consider this sequence, right? It says here, write down the next term of this sequence if the pattern continues. So let's see what you wrote for 3.2 here. Well, 3.2 is supposed to be here, right? The sequence starts with 9, 4, -1, negative. Wait, what? Did you not write this one somewhere?
For which one?
3.2.
I did there.
Down here.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, -11. Ha ha ha. Oopsie. Oopsie. Apologies.
I think you went far down. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I saw it. So this is going to be -5 and -5 again. -5, -5. Yeah, -11, definitely. Coaching. Got to give the ticks. We'll give ticks until where? Until here. Well, you wrote this much, so you know, yeah. 3.2.2 says we should calculate the sum of the first 20 terms in the sequence for 4 marks. So yes, it's definitely arithmetic. So this is the formula. A is 9, N is 20. And then there we go. So life is good. Life is good. LG. And then there's this last one here. The one that has 2, 4, 8. It says, Bongani says the next term is 16. Ayanda says the next term is 14. Explain why both Ayanda and Bongani could be right. So you wrote here the sequence is both geometric and quadratic. Ooh, fancy. Fancy. Tell them, madam, tell them. 2.5.2 says both Bongani and Ayanda continue with their sequences. Write down the nth term for Bongani sequence and then Ayanda sequence. So for the geometric one, yes, the value of R is a 2. A is also a 2. Perfect. For, let me just put half mark. For the quadratic, if it's quadratic, then yeah, this is perfect. Which is going to give you a 1. Put a 1 over there. This is going to go over. And then yellow. 1, -1. Plus C, this 1 minus, wait, 1 minus 1 is a 0.
Oh,
C is
come on.
Well, what is the problem now? You don't want marks. You're crying because of 4 marks. Oh, you disappeared. Oh, I just see your message now. When did I disappear? Unless I am still disappeared.